cause I want breast from the moon.
Could have long like slippers dry around you having in your mouth.
Could have long like slippers. Yo, people, thanks for logging into Mr. Show. Yo, duties, roles, responsibility. This one here, she's ran through it proud, yo. Check her out.
Like, damn, I done been ran through. So there's nothing wrong with taking that journey, but not forcing it on somebody else.
Wrong. Horrible advice. And then we got these trans women who don't want to admit that they're men. Is that right? Is that even right?
I know I don't feel bad at all. If anything, I absolutely love doing it. I love the thrill of doing it. And I just think, if you're kissing me...
Oh my gosh. Ghetto mindset. Ghetto mindset.
You don't have friends? You don't got nobody else to ask? I do! And I can suck it for
it. You know that one friend? No such thing as a bestie.
No man is 100,000% your friend.
So let's get into it. It's the Mr. Show. Taking it from the top.
You've ever had as a girl?
No.
I poke her. I wouldn't poke her. You wouldn't poke her. You wouldn't.
Do you want to every friend that you've ever had as a girl?
No.
I poke her. I wouldn't poke her. You wouldn't poke her. You wouldn't poke her.
I mean, that I maybe originally when I was like trying to be your friend, I was
right?
like probably because I wasn't trying to be your friend.
Exactly.
Nobody here want to climb your saddle.
What am I hearing
I'm
right
telling
now?
you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Listen, a guy won't. This is the truth. Like there is not a time when a guy goes, I just want to get to know that person. Period. Just because.
Do you want to every friend that you've ever had as a girl?
No.
I poke her. I wouldn't poke her. You wouldn't poke her. You wouldn't poke her.
I mean, that I maybe originally when I was like trying to be your friend, I was like probably because I wasn't trying to be your friend.
Nobody here want to climb your saddle.
What am I hearing right now?
I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Listen, a guy won't. This is the truth. Like there is not a time when a guy goes, I just want to get to know that person. Period. Just because they look like they'd be a cool friend.
You know that friend wants to sleep with you.
Stop being insecure. I can't control who likes me.
You can't control who likes you, but you control who you entertain. I won't compete for my own wife.
Remember, they chose the bear, you know. These women want you to compete for them.
Check this out.
And she's gonna come out and go, they're just my friends. You may pretend to think they don't want to sleep with you, because you know they do. You may pretend to think that, but they don't view you as a friend.
Oh, hell no.
Boy, best friends, not doing that.
No? No besties?
Nope, don't exist. No man is 100,000% your friend. Because if me and you get into it, and you tell bro, and you go over bro house, and you get to drinking with bro, and then you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You know what my favorite thing about my man is?
You give bro an inch, he gonna take a mile.
You wanna know?
I care how bro and sister y'all is, you know?
This is why you should never SIMP on a woman, bro. Because she actually was a HO and was turned into a housewife. It's crazy. And now?
Stop the cap.
Yo, I ain't lying. Yo, I'm not lying. I'm not lying, yo. Yo, I'm not lying. She actually is so proud that she was able to convert. Listen to this.
That he literally turned the into the housewife.
Yeah, boy.
He literally turned the into a housewife. It's possible.
Stop the cap.
I'm just folding his boxers. You know, It took a minute. I was like, you know, I ain't ready to settle down, baby. I'm still out here in the streets.
She's corrupted.
But he turned me into a housewife.
Impossible.
Oh, here's your mind. Yeah, he did it. Yeah.
I'm here to help. Nothing more, nothing less.
There's no way in heck she's going to be able to keep that mono status. Meaning like, you know, one person. Once a HO, always a HO, bro. All right, so this girl here, you know, shorty crashes out after getting pressed about her promiscuous lifestyle. Everyone's telling her to cut down on that free sex, but she was not hearing it. She doesn't want to hear it, and here's her story.
Ain't it funny how your people be the main ones telling you don't be a hoe? You don't got suck. You don't gotta do nothing. You can ask us for help. And I turn around and I ask y'all niggas help, and what you tell me? You don't have friends. You don't got nobody else to ask. I do, and I can suck a for it. But you told me to stop doing that because you got me, right? You don't got me. Oh yeah, my brother would tell me, oh, go find your way, go trust God. Not these niggas. Well, guess what? God sent me these niggas. And it's so fucking frustrating. I get a new job, right? I get a new job. Everybody, bitch, stop being a Gina.
Go suck your mother.
Stop sucking Gina.
Go suck your mother.
Be a mother, Gina.
Go suck your mother.
Work for what you want, Gina. Okay, I'll go get a motherfucking job. And what happened? Can you watch my baby? I don't know. Can you pick up my baby and take it to my mama's? No, I got life. No, I can't. No, I...
Yo. This woman is straight up advocating to be a HO, bro. That's what she's advocating for. Talking about it's easier if she just SID. Eh? It's crazy.
I go, trust God. Not these niggas. Well, guess what? God sent me these niggas. And it's so fucking frustrating. I get a new job, right? I get a new job. Everybody, bitch, stop being a Gina.
Go suck your mother.
Stop sucking Gina.
Go suck your mother.
Be a mother, Gina.
Go suck your mother.
Work for what you want, Gina. Okay, I'll go get a motherfucking job. And what happened? Can you watch my baby? I don't know. Can you pick up my baby and take it to my mama's? No, I got life. No, I can't. No, I can't.
It's your responsibility, but you know what?
I don't give a shit.
You feel me? I love it.
Right. Toxic chicks love it.
Shit, I love this shit.
All right, so this is a Jamaican woman who made a mistake of telling her mom something, and in Jamaica, when them give you a nickname, it sticks forever, yo.
You sound like a post.
No. Let's get into it.
First time I tell my mother, say, yo, I do oral, you know. From that, my name body lip.
So, she told her mom something, and she's never lived it down ever since.
Can you watch my baby? I don't know. Can you pick up my baby and take it to my mama's? No, I got life. No, I can't. No, I can't.
I don't give a shit.
You feel me? I love this shit. I love this shit.
But the first time I tell my mother, say, yo, I do oral, you know. From that, my name body lip. Till this day. Till this day.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Jasmine only has one ticket left for her graduation. She wants her dad to come.
But the first time I tell my mother, say, yo, I do oral, you know. From that, my name body lip. Till this day. Till this day.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Jasmine only has one ticket left for her graduation. She wants her dad to come.
The thankless job of a stepfather.
Lose. I've raised her for 16 years and I'm not even invited.
Even though he hasn't been there, he's still her father.
Then he can start covering everything because I'm done.
Perfect.
Love can backfire. Watch this.
Baby, this is Linda, my ex-wife.
Hi, I'm Diana. I'm Robert's fiance.
There she was. The bitch I tried to get all those years ago. Standing in my...
We're on D-Block now with it.
Ghetto.
Because if you have a high body count, you don't respect yourself. Why would you...
All right, more problems. More problems, more bodies, more problems.
Should anyone else respect you? Hold on, let me finish this. I know Malik Obama, and Malik Obama is the brother of Barack Obama. He has 17 kids with 17 different women. And I asked, like, Malik, are all of the kids healthy? He's like, 15 of the 17 are. And I asked him, well, what 2 kids aren't? He's like, my first 2 kids aren't healthy. And I'm like, what was the difference between those 2 women and the rest of the 15? He said, all the other 15 were virgins.
Promiscuosity. And you know that there's a lot of stats out there right now that talks about the men's semen stays within your DNA, particularly your brain, ladies. You could even change to look like him. Your kids could look like him if he's laying it out enough. Real statistics.
So when you had a kid with a virgin, it was healthy. But when you had a kid with a ran through whore, it was sick. It had like basically kind of sicknesses. I don't know what the hell was wrong with it. But basically, if you have kids with a whore, quality of your child is going down.
Every single time I meet
Okay, so the Blackanese out in Japan. You see the Blackanese them, yo? It's a whole different culture out there. And shout out to this girl. She's going to explain something that Japanese men really and truly are lacking a bit of love, yo. It's real. And you do know that the Japan government, this is what I heard, was paying for men to come to Japan to have babies.
Check this out.
That's not what this is about, but check this out.
with my friends, all of us have at least 5 stories about Chikan. やばいやつ。例えば one time I was in a train で違う車両の人とパッて一瞬目があったの and I looked away literally for that long, like that much. I get to my station, I walk up the escalator でエスカレーター立ってたらなんかここになんか I felt someone here, so I tried to look and right here is this man's face that was over in the other 車両 and he goes おっぱい触ってもいい? What's the? And I was like ダメですダメですすみませんでした and he goes away ちょっと笑っちゃった
So, what did he say? What did he ask her?
What the just happened? And I was like dressed in like baggy clothes. I wasn't revealing in any way.
He asked for consent, but he didn't, Chica.
He didn't. He asked for permission. And I said, no, thank you.
I'm laughing, but I'm sorry that just happened.
It was fun. That was funny. I think it's because we don't have physical touch in Japan. We don't hug people. People here don't have enough touch. And that's why they're like, ちょっと変になっちゃう。Like, ちょっと触ってもいいですか? I need to touch.
Wow, eh? Japanese people need more physical touch. I subscribe all the Jamaican man them go down to Japan and you'll have a good time. I have a great time, been to Japan a couple times. So yo, this trans woman, from what I see, is disgusting for what she does to straight men. Watch this.
Do you not feel bad kissing men and not telling them that you're trans?
I don't feel bad at all. Like when you first meet someone, you're not going to tell them that you've got diabetes. Why do I need to disclose that I'm trans?
Welcome to Hollyweird.
A kiss is a kiss.
What?
Men, you know, they can't help but come on to me. I know I don't feel bad at all. If anything, I absolutely love doing it. I love the front.
Oh boy, straight men beware.
You're trans?
I don't feel bad at all. Like when you first meet someone, you're not going to tell them that you've got diabetes. Why do I need to disclose that I'm trans?
Welcome to Hollyweird.
A kiss is a kiss. Men, you know, they can't help but come on to me. I know I don't feel bad at all. If anything, I absolutely love doing it. I love the thrill of doing it. And I just think, if you're kissing me, your tongue is down my throat, you don't need to know what I was born.
We're sorry. The person you are trying to reach is too tired to deal with your bullshit. Please try again later. Service error, F-U. We're sorry.
Wow. Wow, straight men beware. When they look like that, when you can't tell the difference, or they look like this.
As a woman, sometimes I hate working with a whole bunch of no shade, girl. They want to play all day, every day. And it don't give that for a woman. Our feminine, our hormones and stuff, it don't give that. What?
Coming from a what? It's a fire saying.
Hey!
If I had
This girl here ran through and proud. Ran through and proud. Do not take advice from a woman like this. Ladies, please never take advice from a woman like this.
$1 for every I probably could get some Jordans.
If she had $1 for every dude she's messed with, she could probably get some Jordans, she says. That's crazy.
Hey!
If I had $1 for every I probably could get some Jordans. For sure. What? Easy. Easy. What the f? It easy. You know what I'm saying? Do I make better management
The
decisions
GOAT.
now, absolutely. But yeah, if we're
Jordan's the GOAT. She's disgusting for putting her name beside Jordan in such a nasty way, bro. This girl.
saying, you know, if you're a spiritual person, you start thinking like, damn, I done been ran through.
Come again. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Hey.
If I had $1 for every I probably could get some Jordans for sure. What? Easy. Easy. What the It easy. You know what I'm saying? Do I make better management decisions now? Absolutely. But yeah, if we're honest, there's nothing wrong with saying, hey, damn, I'm caught. That guilt sets in. You know, if you're a spiritual person, you start thinking like, damn, I done been ran through. So there's nothing wrong with taking that journey, but not forcing it on somebody else. It just hasn't been my experience. I ain't forcing it. I'm getting these chicks is getting clapped.
I ain't
Point blank period. So yeah.
I'm not mad at you. So
Yeah, I'm honest.
So does body counts matter when it comes to women?
I think we don't care how many chicks y'all ran through, but I think you guys really like take it. Y'all count it against us if we've been through, you know what I'm saying, a lot of or had a lot of partners. I don't care how many bitches you done ran through.
So let me ask you this. What made you not be selective like with your body count? Because a pair of Jordans is like $250.
Right.
A group of men come up and disrespect you. What do you expect your man to do?
Beat their ass.
The whole group.
Oh my God.
That's a tough job being the nigga. Jesus Christ. Like, on top of the fact that y'all expect us to pay for every goddamn thing, we supposed for y'all. We don't even have the luxury of being afraid like a normal human being.
Right.
Start in here right now. I'm supposed to go like this over you and run with you hand in hand, knowing damn well I could take off right there. I could be good.
You are hilarious.
I could do one of these right now and be gone. Good safety. You gonna get around with you with these goddamn heels on. I told you not to wear them.
I want to dominate.
Told you not to wear them heels. Now look at us. No, now look at us.
Man, are you gonna leave or not?
That's still just like.
Are you a man who leaves?
Yeah, the girl on the back has one burst in the mouth.
All right. This Jamaican lady breaks it down now. Back in the days, man, you used to walk it and walk it differently and deal with it a little bit different. Let's see what she has to say.
You have a girl on the back has one burst in the mouth.
Long except as dry around you having
in your mouth. Wrong, them. The boy not fling the breast over shoulder again and suck it.
The man said the breast them could have long like slippers. And she said a boy now take breast and throw over shoulder again. Yo, this is some grimy Jamaican right here. If you don't understand Jamaican, you might need a translator. Listen to this.
On the back has one burst in the mouth. You have a girl on the back has one breast in the mouth.
Long except as dry around you having in your mouth.
Wrong, them. The boy not fling the breast over shoulder again and suck it. Long time in a year, boy say him fling all the breast over your side and suck it, you know. And all the boy, you have a girl on the back and the boy head underneath your arm, you know.
I reach for you look up.
Jesus Christ, where's the breast them little bit? The boy have your arm underneath your arm. Them generation, all them boy I tell you say 3-some, 4-some, 5-some, 6-some. I never hear say you get distinction in a blood clot mat. You want 3-some, you want 4-some, you want 5-some. Broke boy I get 4-some and 3-some and 5-some. And money boy I get 4-some and 5-some. So when me done do 3-some and 4-some, my bill still a pile up. Me still blood clot hungry. You're crazy enough.
Do you want to every friend that you've ever had as a girl?
Thanks for logging in, man. Remember, like and subscribe if you made it this far.